albeit it's upside down. That was the best way to clean it in that position. Major improvement. It looks a lot better. Just a little moist, but I can just air dry from here on. Stuff really does a trick. See what this water looks like. It drained down there, we'll just dump it there. $40 of rat shit, farts, carbon dioxide, piss, junk food, soda, beer, cigarette smoke, vomit, and probably semen too. You never know what goes on when people drive cars over 4 decades. Got it all out. $100. It's a hell of a lot cheaper than having a bunch of seats reupholstered, because that would cost the thousands. Even had to go in with a little bit too, with a little itty bitty toothbrush. Like I mentioned earlier, I can go at that with the Armor All. That's easy, because Armor All wipes that. Yeah, I'm liking how this is turning out. I got these seats as clean as I can today. Made a few passes. They're a lot better off than they were before, albeit there's some few spots showing off a hint of what it used to be like right here. Some faint moss stains. Maybe if I went over another once or twice it'd be gone, but I don't really care much about these seats that much. Just a few passes is enough. I'm not restoring the mercury, just fixing it up enough to make it a daily driver again. There's another little area here. The water came out looking like sludge, so it definitely brought out the filth of the fabric. They're a lot cleaner. The problem was all on the surface, luckily, so I knew I could save these seats. And wipe them off with a wet rag. I don't have that Armor All stuff on hand. See what they look like after I apply it to that, but that'll be another day. This is just showing off what they look like now after a thorough cleaning. I rented this out of Menards. $20, roughly. Now it's just a matter of getting them in the mercury. This is a better move. I don't have to worry about these chipping paint off left and right. Because as you know, the last seats I rattle bombed with a fabric dye, so underneath is white and yellow. Well, be little specks here and there will be showing through, and that ain't going to be a good look in the long run. These I don't have to worry about. It's just red all the way through. These are really corroded and, seized. Understandably, they haven't moved in 4 decades. Might not be able to get these to work, and these are manual seats, but I can always unbolt these from the regulators. They're the same seats as the one as the Mercury. The only difference is one's cloth, one's leather. These should bolt up to the regulators in the Mercury, which is power, but these are manual. But then again, it came out of a sedan, so it was a base model Mercury Marquis. So I'm pretty confident I can get these to bolt up to the regulators in the Mercury. And those ones ain't so bad. I oil coated them and they all work. These should the rear seat, these should just fit right in. I don't think there'll be a problem. Well, that concludes it for this video. I'll make another one when I put them in the car. I may end up sitting on with the carpet too. Don't really want to spend another $200-$300 on the carpet that I really want. I'll just live with the one I already have. That just means I can fast forward to making a headliner and making the car all complete again. I'll get back to you guys another time when I start working on the Mercury some more. For now, this concludes this video. These seats are looking a lot nice now.